What's going on, stackers? So in this video we're going to be talking about how to make more money publishing low and no content books. Now if you're new here, my name's Paddy and every single day I like to bring out videos teaching you how to make money with nothing more than your internet connection and your laptop. So go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. Also, if you're serious about increasing your royalties with your own book publishing business, then check out that link in the description below to go to the LCB Vault. This has a bunch of over-the-shoulder trainings that I add to weekly on everything I'm doing to increase my royalties. You can also get there by going to the lcbvault.com. So, how to make more money publishing low and no content books? Well, first thing, you constantly want to try and improve at every aspect of this business. If you're designing the books yourself, you want to get better at designing, you want to get better at the research, you just want to get better at absolutely everything. So that's what I do. I constantly try and improve. I'm constantly researching, constantly trying to get better at designing my books. Now, that being said, I think it's very important to diversify your library. What do I mean? So, most people get into no and low content book publishing and they just publish notebooks. Now that's all well and good. There's loads of people out there completely smashing it with notebooks, but everyone and their mother are now doing notebooks. Main reason being it's so easy. You create the interior. Once you've got that, you just use that over and over again. Now remember this, the easier it is to create a book, the more competition there's going to be, and the chance of everyone doing that is much higher. The harder it is to create your book, then the less competition there is. Now, like I said, it does not matter, it's a good idea to diversify your library. So I have a hell of a lot of notebooks, but I also have composition notebooks. I think I spelt that wrong, but I have a lot of composition notebooks. I also have sketchbooks. I have quite a few of sketchbooks as well now. I have a few different planners, and this is how I'm diversifying my library and making more money. Now have puzzle books like these. I have word searches, which is just a sub niche within the puzzle book. So word search books. Let's go click on that one. So I now have quite a lot of word searches as well. Well, not quite a lot, but I have a decent handful of them. I also have colouring books. And this is how I diversify my library. See, I'm not a designer. I don't really have any design skills. They're getting better, a hell of a lot better than what they were when I first started. But this is just my strategy. I really enjoy creating books. I enjoy creating the covers, the interiors. I enjoy all of it. So it's another reason why I actually create so many books. Now, even though I've been doing this almost a year now, this is my 11th month publishing books, I'm still trying to improve. I'm still trying to get better at everything. In fact, this week I've actually jumped into a new niche. It's a low content book niche. It's in the activity book niche. And I've been creating some custom interiors which look really good. Now, what I've been doing this last week with these books, I am going to make a training video on exactly how I'm doing everything and put it in or within the vault so everyone else can see that. But this is how I believe you make more royalties. Diversifying your library and building it out to where you have multiple different types of books. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Also, go hit subscribe and hit that little bell icon so you can be notified for any further videos. That being said, I've been Paddy, this has been Stacking Profit, and I'll see you again soon.